So, good morning, everyone, and welcome to this second part of the webinar for this Era Planet Virtual Laboratory. So, as we wrote in the email that was sent to you, we have three main objectives for this second part of the webinar. First is to review the models that have already been ported on this virtual laboratory. That have used the provided guidance. So we will listen to three modelers. Sorry. And second objective is to collect the different feedbacks on the issues that might have been faced during this porting. And lastly, we are here also to try to answer any question that would help few other modelers who face the issues for porting their models. So, in detail, today the modelers will talk about their model, what is the model about, what is the programming language that they have used, and what were the required tools. We will also hear about their feedbacks on the documentation, if it corresponded to what they were expecting. And we will also listen to the feedback about the porting tests for their models. And what is also very interesting for us is to know how much time it took them to port their model, which will give a better idea to other modelers. So after this short introduction, we will start with my colleague Denisa Rodila, who is sitting here next to me. She will talk about the model of Swiss protected biodiversity areas. Then it will be Mrs. Marta Gomez Jimenez, who will talk about the averaged values of fractional land cover classes per region. And finally, we'll have Maria Paola Ambrosone, who will talk about the workflow, the MINDS workflow. And after all that, we would like to have just a short talk about the other modelers. What is your status for model development? Can you just update us where you stand for porting your model and what you think is feasible in the coming weeks? And we'll finish by a short session of questions and answers. Just before starting, we wanted to know if you have any objection that we post the video recordings of this webinar on YouTube and make them available. If anybody has any objection, please let us know now. Otherwise, we'll consider that it's fine that we post the video recordings. And also, as a reminder, we have online documentation for all these virtual laboratory activities. I've displayed the link again here. And in this online documentation, you will see also the description of some workflows that will be presented today. I put here, for example, a screenshot of the MINDS workflow. And this is it. So just keep in mind for the final discussion that it's interesting for us if you can tell us if you have any specific needs or if you would like to have something in the virtual laboratory that is not there yet or that is not planned. And we have the same question if you want something that is not available currently in the online documentation, we can definitely add it. So keep these 2 points in mind during this session.